Piedmont Triad. I'm WFMY News 2 meteorologist Ed Matthews, updating you on Piedmont weather. It's been kind of a wild morning here in the Piedmont. As we've been talking about the past few days, our second area of snow has been moving through the area, moving through rather quickly, but dumping as much as 1/4 of an inch of snow over the foothills and the Triad this morning. Now, our weather impact alert is still in effect, but it'll be able to expire at 12 noon. We've had our burst of snow. That is starting to move out of the area, but boy, the roads with the burst of snow moving through really slickened up rather quickly this morning, and there have been accidents reported really pretty much all over our viewing area. So even this afternoon, as temperatures just only go up a degree or two above freezing, if you got to get out and drive, just please be extra careful. Encouraging signs on our visible satellite view. Look at this. Earlier, it was snowing in Wilkes and Allegheny and over to Surry County, and now the sun is peeking out there. And the back edge of the clouds continues to move towards the Triad. Midday and on through the afternoon, let's call it increasing sunshine. And really this afternoon is going to turn out to be a very nice afternoon. Earlier this morning during the Good Morning Show, this batch of snow was way back to our northwest over West Virginia and eastern Kentucky. It is the parent low, or the upper level pocket of energy associated with our surface low pressure that moved through the area yesterday. Now that's moved well off the east coast. The upper level energy is going to be exiting our area, so this snow is moving out rather quickly. I think just about every flake that fell this morning survived and accumulated on the ground because temperatures have been quite frosty through the morning, and they really haven't moved upward very much. We're generally looking at mid-20s right now, but as we see increasing sunshine this afternoon, I think we'll wiggle a couple of degrees above the freezing mark, around 34, 35, maybe a 36 as we head through the afternoon. Now, with our upper level low tracking on down east of the Triad, we're going to start to see the winds pick up. 25 to maybe as high as 30-mile-per-hour wind gust as we head through the afternoon, and with temperatures into the low and mid-30s, it's actually going to feel like it's in the lower 20s across the Piedmont. So quite windy conditions with the increasing sunshine as we head through the afternoon. Now these winds will start to die down as we go into the evening hours. Our winter weather alerts, winter weather advisory remains in effect until 1 o'clock for our area. But again, later tonight, as temperatures dip into the mid and upper teens, any standing water on the streets and highways, and especially those bridges and overpasses, will bear watching during the morning commute coming up on Friday. There could certainly be some slick spots across the area. As we look at our surface weather map, here's the surface low that moved through yesterday, moving well off the east coast. Our upper level disturbance, the parent low in the upper atmosphere, will swing east of our area this afternoon. And again, we're already seeing some clearing out over the mountains and foothills. There is a fairly respectable pressure gradient or pressure difference between high pressure building in from the west and the strengthening low off the east coast. And it's that pressure gradient or pressure difference that what drives the wind, and that's the reason we're going to see those windy conditions as we head through the afternoon. But it's going to be this area of high pressure that will build over the eastern seaboard and finally bring a dry and rather quiet weather pattern to our part of the Piedmont. Not only for Friday, but right on through the upcoming weekend. We anticipate dry weather with a slow moderation in temperatures over the weekend. Now early next week, Monday, Tuesday especially, and Wednesday especially, this area of high pressure will move off the east coast. Now we're going to remain dry, but with the high moving offshore, we'll get on the backside of the high and we'll have more of a southwesterly surface wind. So by about Tuesday, Wednesday, we could actually see temperatures that will warm up into the lower 60s. Our extended GFS model showing the dry pattern, the extended dry pattern that will be with us right on through the weekend and into early next week. Snowfall reports yesterday, a little more snow over Alamance County, over 2 inches there. PTI had about 1.5 inches, about 1 inch in High Point. Winston-Salem and many of our western areas, at least yesterday, didn't see much in the way of snow, only 1/2 inch of snow at Winston-Salem. But some of those western areas, those foothill locations, kind of made up for the difference with the snow moving through this morning. So far this season, a little over 4 inches of snow. We're only halfway through what we would normally expect in a normal winter pattern, and that's around 8 inches of snow. But we still have plenty of time to have more snow events in the Piedmont. As we look down the road into our 8 to 14 day outlook, in terms of temperatures averaging a little bit below normal for this time of year, and or at least precipitation running a little bit above normal. We'll see how that plays out as we go into the first part of March. Now the snow tapering off, we'll see clearing in the afternoon as the winds increase. 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts are a sure bet, about 34 for the high today. Clear, diminishing winds, that'll allow temperatures to bottom out with the snow cover around 16 for the overnight low. Tomorrow will be near 40 and partly sunny and upper 40s on Saturday, low 50s on Sunday. And look at next week as we see temperatures near 60 on Monday and low 60s as we go into Tuesday and Wednesday. Stay with us here on WFMY News 2 Plus. We'll have more updates as we head through the afternoon. You have a great day.